your girl Chantelly Lace coming at you with another video, and today's video is all about today's makeup look. Yes, super cute, and how I created it. So if you want to see how I created today's makeup look and what products I use, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. I'm super excited to be doing this video because I haven't done a makeup video in a while, but I've been, playing with some makeup. I've been recording, haven't been able to edit, but today is a good day. Able to record and edit in the same day, so I'm very, very pleased about that. But I do have more makeup videos coming, just got to get them edited. But I did get a new palette, and it's the Queen palette by Beauties. It's the Queen palette, and I got this in my BoxyCharm premium box for the month of September, and look how gorgeous. But we're gonna go on and jump right into this video and get started. Okay, so we're gonna get started. I got you guys all zoomed in, have my foundation and stuff on, and I'm going to break out my little mirror so I can see better, okay? And we're going to be using the Queen palette, of course. Super, super gorgeous. Just got this in my BoxyCharm premium box. Super gorgeous, and can't wait to play with these colors. I'm gonna do something to kind of go with like my little hairband thing going on. So let's get started. So first things first, I'm gonna put some concealer on the eyelids, and I'm going to be using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Erase Dark Circles concealer, and this is in tan, and I love this concealer. For one, it matches my skin perfectly, which is really hard to find for me, and then two, I just love how it lasts all day, and it really does conceal, and it does hold my shadows when I use it. I did use an eyeshadow primer before by Elizabeth Mott, and I like that, but I just went on and just stick with what I know. And we're just going to blend that out and just pat that in. Make sure that gets patted in and not go too far. Okay. So now I'm going to be taking my Farrah brush. I don't know what number this is, but it is a shading brush. And I'm going to go into the shade Regal, which is this purple shade here at the bottom. And I love these names. So cute. And this is going to go in my transition area. Right on in there. Super pretty. Regal. Alright. Oh, when I seen this palette, I just knew I had to play with it. I just knew I was going to end up loving it as long as the, pigmentation and color payoff came out good. So, yes, right now I am very pleased. So next, I am going to go into this Morphe brush. It's a shader brush too, but it's more precise. As you see, it's not as fluffy. And I'm going to go into Majesty, which is this darker purple shade right here. And we're going to put this in the outer V area just to deepen that out. And that's pretty much where we're going to focus that color. So that way we can have a nice little purple smoke going on. Nothing too much. That's why I want to just focus it in that corner. I usually just take and pat into the little socket of my corner, and then I just drag. So I'll take it, and you have like a little socket, just push, and you see how it's just going in. And then just drag it into your crease a little bit. Feather it out, back and forth, and do the same over here. That's how you'll get like a nice little subtle smoke. It don't have to be too much. And depending on, you can do your smoke dragging it out to the side. You can drag it up. It really doesn't matter. Just depends on what kind of eye look you're going for. And your brows and so forth. You know, what look you're going for. So, alright, that looks really good to me. I'm really pleased with how that looks. Just going to blend this side out just a little bit more. Alright. I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics flatter brush. This is a 102 brush. And I'm going to go into the shade Jewels, which is this shiny shimmer shade. And we're going to see if these shimmers work good with a brush or if I'm going to have to use my fingers. Ooh. And that is working great with the brush. Actually, I'm very pleased. And go back into Jewels. This is so when I use shimmer, sometimes I get nervous because it's like, let me see if it works with the brush, so I've got to dirty up my fingers or if my nails are too long, you know. And yeah, this worked out really great. I'm just kind of making sure it goes up in the crease a little bit. We will fix anything that we may need to fix. Alright, so I'm going to flip my flatter brush over and I'm going to go into the shade My Lady. Right here. It's another pretty shimmer shade. It's like a pinky brown. I mean a pink shimmer shade. It's really pretty. Ooh. I like. How you guys like that? Look at that. Got the pink, the gold, the purple going on. I wanted to be really colorful today, but be a little different. I mean, I know I could have went with just purple and did like a halo eye, but I wanted to try something different, you guys. And I think I'm liking it. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my Fair brush again and a little bit more of that Regal and just kind of make sure I'm blending everything out and there's no harsh lines at the top because I really like how this turned out. Alright, so just lightly tap it into Regal and we're just lightly, like I'm barely touching it just to buff out any harsh lines. Okay. Barely touching it. So now we're going to go back into our Morphe blending brush and go back into that Majesty and just kind of hit it over here a little bit because we really do want that to pop. Any gold that may have gotten on top of it, we want to kind of erase it and we want to blend this purple into the gold because the purple and the gold are, in my opinion, the main highlights. So I'm just going to put a little more gold up here. Jewel. Just a little bit more so I can blend. I'm loving how this is turning out, you guys. I really am. So I'm just going to hit that up. And this already has some product on there, so I don't need to put any more. And just hit those little corners. Ooh, yes. Gorge. Okay, so I went on and lined my eyes off of camera using my Flirty Gurl Luxury Bonding Eyeliner. This will help you put your lashes on and have them stay all day if you're not really into lash adhesive or know how to use lash adhesive. So this is perfect for you if you're that type of gal, or if you just want to try lashes out for the first time, this would be perfect. But I'm going to be putting on my lashes in Stunna, and yeah, I'm going to show you how it works. You just literally draw the line on. There's no glue on my lashes or anything like that. They're a little dirty, but yeah, just pop that right on like so, and boom, you're done. They're on there and they're not going anywhere for the day. Okay? Super easy. And these lashes is probably be the, I gotta clean them after this wear. But just stick it right on and they're not going anywhere. Yep. So I have my lashes on and it's the face. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, this name does not have a brush. I got it from Amazon. A company sent it to me. But it works good. It's a little bullet brush or pointing brush. I don't know what you guys call it. But y'all, you know what I'm talking about. Pencil brush, whatever. I'm going to take this dark Majesty color. And I'm just going to connect the under eye with my little smoky going on. Probably should have lined my eye first. I'll do that next. We're just going to put a little bit of this Majestic down here. Just to kind of complete and tie the look together, you know? Alright. So I'm going to take my Hank. I'm going to take my Hank and Henry eyeliner. And line my bottom lash line. So you're just going to tie everything together. There we go. That looks better. Then we're going to take the bullet brush again. I'm going to go into my lady. And just hit this outer corner, or inner corner. I said outer corner. The inner corner of my eyes. And kind of bring that down a little bit. But then we're going to go back into the jewels so we can add that gold. We're tying this whole eye look together. And the gold's going to go right in the middle. Tie it all together. I don't know why I do that when I do my under eye. I'm like, my mouth is always open. Do not understand that. That looks good. And go back into my lady again. Make sure everything is nice, blended, and poppy. Alright. Alright, so this is my finished eye look. I love it. Like I said, when I seen this palette, I knew I just had to play with it and just play with some color. And I am very, very pleased with how this look turned out. So I'm happy with it. What do you guys think? I am loving it. It's super, super gorgeous and just so vibrant. I'm very, very pleased. But yes, this is today's eye look. And I hope you like it. Super gorgeous. That's all I have for today's video. I hope that you guys like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.